This is the Titans High School Quiz. Welcome back.
I'm very sure even though you stretch your eyes, I'm a very technical person. You can't get the answer. Which one is the largest economy in Africa? We have Nigeria. I'm starting with Kinaawa. We have Nigeria, South Africa, Kenya, Egypt.
South Africa.
The answer is correct. Which country is facing humanitarian crisis due to prolonged drought and conflicts? We have Somalia, we have Sudan, Mozambique, and Ethiopia.
Somalia.
The answer is correct. Who is the current president of Tanzania? We have Baligaya Afan, Paul Kagame, Pilao Chizito, Ramaphosa, Samia Suluhu Hassan, Uhuru Kenyatta.
Samia Suluhu.
The answer is correct. Which country is known for ongoing conflict leading to severe humanitarian crisis and displacement of millions of people? We have South Africa, we have Nigeria, we have Ethiopia, we have South Sudan. Be very careful when you're answering that question. We have South Africa, Nigeria, Ethiopia, and South Sudan.
I beg your pardon.
Which country is known for ongoing conflict leading to severe humanitarian crisis and displacement of millions of people? We have South Sudan, Ethiopia, Nigeria, and South Africa.
South Sudan.
The answer is correct. Which country is known for its ongoing conflict involving various armed groups and large number of internally displaced people? Angola, Mozambique, Madagascar, and Somalia.
Somalia.
The answer is correct. Who is the current president of Congo? We have Paul Kagame, we have Baligaya Afan, we have Nana Akufo-Addo, Felix Tshisekedi.
Felix Tshisekedi.
The answer is correct. Which Ugandan national park is known for its population of giraffes? Murchison Falls National Park, Lake Mburu National Park, Kidepo Valley National Park, Queen Elizabeth National Park.
Murchison Falls.
The answer is incorrect. Which Ugandan city is known for its annual culture festival called Nyege Nyege? We have Gulu, you know the answer. We have Gulu, Mbale, Jinja, and Imbarara.
Jinja.
The answer is correct. Who is the current president of Nigeria? We have Muhammad Buhari, Bola Tinubu, Ibrahim Boubacar Keita, Paul Biya. We have Muhammad Buhari, Bola Tinubu, Ibrahim Boubacar Keita, and Paul Biya.
Muhammad Buhari.
Muhammad Buhari is a wrong answer. We ask in current, not previous. The current is Bola Tinubu. Which of the following is an example of a renewable energy source? Natural gas, coal, solar power, nuclear power. Stop whispering answers.
Natural gas.
The answer is incorrect. It is solar power. What is the largest ocean in the world? We have Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Arctic Ocean.
Pacific.
The answer is correct. Which country is known for its famous Great Wall? We have China, Uganda, Russia, United States, Germany.
United States.
The answer is incorrect. the Great Wall of China. Which of the following is a greenhouse gas? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and helium.
Nitrogen.
Nitrogen is a wrong answer. The answer is carbon dioxide. Which of the following is responsible for carrying oxygen in the blood? White blood cells, red blood cells, plasma. Plasma.
Red blood cells.
The answer is correct. Which of the following is a conductor of electricity? We have rubber, we have glass, plastic, and copper.
Copper.
Copper is the right answer. Which tribe is known for their unique cow dung house decorations in Uganda? We have the Baganda cow dung, Basoga cow dung, Karamojong cow dung. Which tribe is known for its decoration using cow dung in the houses? We have the Basoga, Baganda, Bachiga, Karamojong.
Bachiga.
The Bachiga is the wrong answer. We have Karamojong. Oh my God. What is the official language of the Democratic Republic of Congo? We have Swahili, munasemaje. We have English, what are you saying? We have Luganda, mugambachi. We have French, bonjour. So which is the official language?
French.
French is the right answer. What is the result of 5 squared? In A we have 10. In B we have 15. In C we have 20. And in D we have 25.
25.
25 is the answer. Thank you for being a head prefect. I think you know the math. The right answer is 25. Clap for the head prefect. Wow, it was a very amazing session. Clap for these wonderful human beings with a lot of knowledge. It is very amazing that we are having a very good relationship with these schools, Restoration High School and Kinaawa High School, where they lead, and we are really appreciating the fact that they're all. Here we go.
The Titans High School quiz will be back in a minute.
Ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome to the next season of Titans High School Quiz. It's gonna be fire.
We're still college and you are here for the Titans High School Quiz 2024 for the second edition.
400 schools in a very good ambience. Lots of prizes to be won. Who is going to take the lead? Who is going to be the Titan from the Titans High School Quiz?
And we are here to fly.
Come and take part in the next season, come 2024. Come and be part of the winning team with a touch of class. Polo Auto Freight Forwarders, Amrate Investments, Angels Production, Islamic University in Uganda, Females Campus, Kaboja, with your host, Baligea Afan Wachiyankali.
The Titans High School quiz